Guys, n'a posé une question que je vais répondre sans avocat là. Lawyer moi va là, je vais répondre. Est-ce que nous James. Est-ce que nous comprenons, hein? There we go.
What you doing?
Hey, Sean. I'm on live right now.
Oh, I thought you was doing somebody.
Go ahead, give me a shout out.
How many people on that? 2 people?
People so plum. I'm about to do a business person. Not yet.
How you know? Oh, it's 846 people on there?
No, that's the likes. You don't use six. You don't use six. Pretty funny. What about you? It's right here, 76. I be having more than that.
Oh shit.
École pour parler de école mon moi.
Bonsoir tout le monde. Bonsoir.
C'est créole. Somebody named Stanley say gaga way.
Which that's Stan?
I said somebody named Stanley. Mbako never took. Ebali, Stanley sa konya non vagin Baptiste.
This shit jumping. Damn, I need to make a TikTok. What the fuck?
What the boot?
Bonsoir tout le monde. Comment nous y? Ain't got no girls on that bitch, straight niggas.
Who decided straight niggas would they be? What would they be straight niggas?
I'm asking.
No. Bestie chérie, ouais, ça sont belles petites filles. Un bel bestie m'gagne, un bel bestie bon dire à moi. Vous comprenez? Belle bestie m'gagne.
Bestie chérie.
Et pas bestie yo. Dodo la travail pour nous guys. La travail moi m'a travail. Est-ce que vous comprenez?
Why you don't got me on that bed?
I'm
Turn
good.
the camera a little bit.
I'm good.
I think I'm keeping that. What's Dodo? Who the fuck is Dodo? Good ass name.
Watch your mouth. What fait au bloquer? Pas jouer.
Fuck am I gonna do? Who's Dodo?
Pas jouer.
I'm gonna leave in a little bit. I'm hungry.
Well,
I'm starving. You know, it's my last night.
me too. When I said you was eating good. Sorry, nous t'es mute. But guys, nous t'ai parlé avec nous. Si nous besoin de monde qui pour faire le taxe nous année, c'est mon nous contacter, me relève. Surtout, pas dire surtout non parce que pas pour nous prendre mal, but De pou Orlando, comme ça, ou ka vin nan office lan, ou bien nou ka fè, nou pa besoin vini. Nou pa besoin get physical. We don't need to do that. Nou ka fè online, nou ka pa brele, pou mbon free quote. Mwen fè video an talè, mwen fè lan anglais, but mwen pou fè lan kreol pou mwen poste pou nou tou. So contacte m guys pour un free quote, mba nou free quote pa nou an, but nou deja konen iOS poko ap accepte tax. Yes, m ka fel kounya, but mba da pou fel kounya pou, paske ou pa jam konen, paske yo tan fin mwa pou yo mette tout kredi ke a mette yo, so mba vle pou ken moun mis nan kredi yo. M koy ap komanse accepte tax 25 pou 27. So e cream, but m ka mette. Est-ce que moun ma pala ave nou lvin modem si nou kal manje.
Hi everyone, come file your taxes. Oh, we got people in here. Vini fil tax nou? Est-ce que nou
Yes, am dab di yo, chérie. Yes, am dab di yo, baby. J'aime dab di nou, y ap komanse accepte tax 25 pour 27.
26?
But
26.
26? Bon, il dit 26.
But ou ka toujou fè l bonè.
Yeah, fè l bonè, but m'pap submit li. Malgré nou fè l bonè, m'pap submit li parce que yo still ge kredi kap soti.
Yeah, li pi bon pou fil en février. Komanseman février, li pi bon pou fil tax. Komanseman février, lè sa tout kredi yo la.
E mwen m'ka premier fil tax nan Amerika.
Pose question. Toute question de tax, de iOS nou gen, like, comment on a fil tax nou ane, pose toute question.
Comment on a fil tax nou? Est-ce que nou mariye ti moun?
Toute question, so gen problem, lò ta fil deja.
Si san pil ti moun 2000 gen ba life mwen moun.
Est-ce que nou jen d'abord yitou nou deja? It's only tax, it's tax season, saison tax.
Saison tax li, guys. So nou pa mwen bezwen pou tan nan mel la pou nou jen d'abord yitou nou. Entre sou EDP bagay yo.
Oh Lord. You can come back. We're gonna go to this one right here.
You wanna go with Ted? He just said he about to leave to go get food.
For real?
Yeah. Tell him let's go with us.
Okay. No, let's go.
But guys, contacte m 407 728 25 99. Mwen la nan an doa nan Haywasi, hein? Jen wè, hein? Gade?
Nan office lan.
Nan office lan. But jem di nou an, nou pa bezwen vini. Sou pa kapab vini, mka vin jwen nou ou bien nou ka fel online. Kene po di jan? Kene po di jan? Bak, I could go to the...
No, that's an extra fee.
Girl. She money hungry.
I'm not money hungry. Time is money.
Aí sim, eu fiz bem mais aí sim, eu disse mais aí sim. Mesmo que mal anglais eu vou com mais.
Ah, não vai dizer, não vai interessar, não vai vir fil tax, não vai vir fil cop.
Lá finito, quem é pode no referem, people
money baby, we talking about tax right now. We're talking about money.
Daqui sai pali.
Dodo.
Eu com problema. Deve muter life, moi frase ba com paz dodo, deve muter life, moi sei.
Kunya é pa dodo, kunya na parle de bagay tax. It's business time.
Lè nou a McDodo.
Dodo.
Kunya Refere moun nou genye, sen nou, maman nou, konen makten nou. Di ba mute, no? It's not. Di ba mute. No, them guys.
Oh, that's what you mean. No, mute them, mute. I'm saying to mute.
Mute them?
Mm-hmm.
Ok guys, I'm dap di nou an, kontakte m nan 407 m bala ale.
Nap tou nan kon.
Nou pal le manje nou manje guys, paske nap travay de matin, m fatige. M fatige. Ou lage moun YouTube yo net, m balage nou baby, m vini, m balage nou, m poko fin lage nou net. Ouais, moi ça, m bal lage on série de bagay pou nou sur YouTube, m balage nou m la.
Chérie, nous nan nou travail dodo pa la. Nous nan travail nan office pour travail. Dodo pa la.
Ma ou moun sa ou non?
What's up, your problem? This is annoying.
Ma vle. Ouais, ou pas de prank.
Gwa joun fè kon la dodo.
Chérie, c'est pas des bagay ça ou m'a parlé là, mais m comprend nou, oui. M comprend nou quand même. M comprend nou, baby miyo. Nam jen tout bagay sa ou guys, but pou kon yam, just focus nan lot bagay.
Après si son travail la fini, de bat tout.
E baton li ou. Tande bagay kope guys, nam jen ponk yo, nam jen video yo, nam jen tout. Tande? Kouden pal manje la? Kouden pal achete manje?
I don't really want nine heavy. I just need a little something.
Alright, you guys.
We gonna go get food.
Y'all not for real.
Huh?
Y'all not for real.
Yes, we are.
We are.
Where y'all getting food at?
Where you about to go?
I was going to Publix.
We not travail.
Bye.
Where you gonna
I'll
go?
see you in a couple months. Publix.
So what if you want a public?
Publix sub. That's
Where you leaving today?
tonight.
Tonight? Damn.
Yeah.
You go.
Damn.
I need to go to public.
Why you leaving right now though?
Huh?
Come back.
Say what?
Come back. Now how you watch young baby?
South High West Metro West.
You leaving right now? Why you about to leave us?
No, my flight is at 2 a.m. So I gotta still go pack and shit.
Looking sexy.
I'm the pinkest spoiled.
I don't know. I'm gonna add it to my taco anyway. I'm gonna add. Moi même pour ça yo, oui, pas me sauce spicy, non, me sauce me sauce pour. Me sauce pour mon ça yo Spanish yo, parce que sauce spicy yo fait trop bagay, ba la trop fresco. Ah papa. Moi que tant bière, ma kon so dia chouchou.
Will you pay? That one time I came here by myself. Until was supposed to come with me because I'm going to order margarita. It was 2 for 1. I'm like, I can take 2. There's no point in to go. I was only for a couple one drink.
I would have drink it all.
I'll make sure I finish mine though.
Tellement manger. On était là, on parlait avec nous. Tant qu'on va faire, il va déplacer. On ça pour faire. Oh. Huh? It smell like it too.
Yeah. I thought I was tripping. I thought I was tripping.
It smell like it.
I think it's this first. Always. I love us pretty bad. Ooh, bad. What did you give Azua? We went to Asuka and Kirkman. It wasn't, the food was cold.
We didn't go there.
Yeah, we went to the one in Kirkman, Asuka.
That was Winter Garden.
No, it was Kirkman.
It was?
Asuka Azul, something Azul.
Azul, yeah.
Yeah, it was cold. We need to try it again. Maybe it was just a bad day.
Ah, you mangé un peu, madame, mangé un peu. Guys, dois me dire, maman mangé un peu, non? Nous sommes monde qui est content, je vais manger. Qui n'est pas content, je vais manger. Finalement, je vais ça me fait.
No, just die. It's mine.
I'm not pour mourir, guys. This is pour mourir, just die like. C'est vrai, oui. Mais pour que ça m'a vivre. Qui est content, je vais manger. Qui n'est pas content, je vais manger.
You didn't try it out.
What drink? That? It don't look good.
Hello, is you want to talk to the manager?
Yeah. Cause the beans, this
If you smell it, you'll smell it yourself.
is
If you want.
spoiled. Like, after it's been there for like 2-3 days.
How long do you guys keep it in for?
We make it every morning.
Oh, then why?
Remind you, she said every.
Why is this like that? Usually it tastes good. Usually I always come to I say.
That's her favorite place, so she's telling you. She's
Or if I don't come here, I go to the one like on the garden. But this one is just like the smell. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
But I know beans, it goes bad fast. Like it goes bad after like a day out, it goes bad fast. I don't know.
she a chef too.
Yeah, I do catering.
Yeah, I'm sorry. And it was just the beans?
Just the beans. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Thank you for letting me know, and I will let you know.
No problem. Everything else, no problem. Just the beans.
Thank you. So sorry for that, ladies.
My living for 2 hours. 9, 10, 11. 2 hours.
Huh? She said this morning.
When it goes that fast, like I feel like once you out, you go to see. But I don't know.
Let me see the chips.
We got there at like 8 something. We're already leaving before 9. We was in there for an hour.
Tax office? The office?
Here. That's time to go in there for an hour last time. Yeah, less than an hour.
Today is what? Thursday? Yeah. Guys, this is balai pun wajib. Kalau betul ke balai pun wajib betul. Sorry. You gotta keep some stuff to yourself. You gotta keep it in. You guys don't drop any more videos. What happened? Problem nan se nan mwen men mteye vreman paske mbat telman rete sou sa, mbat telman rete sou ba video bagay sa, but
This time you're doing taxes, that's why you have this phone.
Kwenye tax sezon an pare, men se sa m fe, so m ta prepare pou tax sezon. M son mwen men focus nan yon sel bagay a la fwa, so m gete pare pou tax
I give you
sezon.
discount for the beans.
Alright, thank you. M ta prepare pou tax sezon ki nou te skrive sou nou la, but m pou met nou ke nou kapap
la pou mwen.
nan jen video.
Okay, now.
Masa nan jen video. Nan jen video. Ou pare pou ale konya? une vidéo. Juste dire qui vidéo nous besoin. Nous besoin de plus. Qui vidéo nous besoin de plus, guys?
Thank you.
Comment nous voulons web?
Next time I come back, when do you work?
Thursday, Friday, and
I was just thinking about
I
asking.
like tipping. I don't have cash. I don't like tipping cards. Next time I come, I'll cash tip. I'm sorry. What's your name again? Carmen. I'll ask for you, then I'll leave your tip.
thank you.
No problem.
Ok, ma ban un petit vlog. Petit break. Nous connaissons. Depuis que je suis pour ça, je fais le boulot.
Let's go.
Huh? No. I gotta finish my drink.
Oh, yeah, this whole time? Ooh. You gotta be funny.
I gotta finish it.
I'm sleepy.
I don't know what she's talking about, but I gotta finish my drink. She ready to go, but I gotta finish my drink. I don't want this anymore.
You have 3 minutes to finish this drink.
Alright. I'm fatigué, non là, il est venu maintenant. You're not gonna finish?
I work in 2 hours. My little baby's house is easy.
Oh, you gotta work. Oh, okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Bye, la famille. Have a good night. Have a good night, guys. Nous voulons mal chercher le bain, Oh, wait, what you do?